Are you looking for a 360 camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best 360 cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the GoPro Max. Shoot single-lens hero-style video with unbreakable stabilization, or capture immersive 360 footage in 6K4. Vlog to the max with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. Tap through 4 lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and max super view are widest view yet. Capture distortion-free 270 degrees panoramic shots with one click. Take jaw-dropping 360 photos or legendary GoPro POV shots. The 4th product on the list is the Insta360 One X2. With just one device, shoot first in every direction with super 5.7K 360 capture, and then choose your favorite angle later. Or pick just one lens with Steadicam mode for ultra-stable wide-angle footage. Better than ever stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your shots steady, no gimbal needed. Shoot with the invisible selfie stick, and then watch it disappear in your edit. Capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. The 3rd product on the list is the Ricoh Theta Z1. Approximately 2.7 times larger capacity than the previous model. It is possible to shoot approximate 6350 JPEG still images, approximate 900 RAW plus still images, and approximate 110 minutes for 4K video. Ghosting, flare, and fringe are suppressed by adopting a 1-inch back illuminated CMOS sensor and a newly developed lens unit. Achieves the highest image quality in the Theta series. Useful for scenes with different brightness, such as indoor shooting. The image processing time is as fast as approximately 6 seconds, making it very useful for business scenes such as real estate photography. The 2nd product on the list is the Ricoh Theta Sc2. Taking just one shot on the Theta Sc2 enables you to capture your entire surroundings in spherical 360 degrees images and video. Never have to worry about fitting everyone in or being left out of the photo again. Designed to easily fit in your hand. A choice of 4 elegant colors. A thin and lightweight body that optimizes internal components using a proprietary folded optic system. The 1st product on the list is the Insta360 One or Twin. One or Twin Edition transforms on the fly from a 360 cam to a 4K 60 frames per second wide-angle shooter. You'll always have the right tool to capture the action. All pixels are not created equal. The Dual Lens 360 mod raises the bar with super 5.7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding, advanced image processing, and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. 1R's invisible selfie stick feature lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of the wrist while using the Dual Lens 360 mod. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.